way out of my comfort zone with this one, but today I'm going to be unboxing the new Blackview W70 Pro rugged smartwatch that I have been provided for the purposes of this video. So let's whip it out of the box and see what it's about. Okay, so here's the new Blackview W70 Pro smartwatch, and I've got it in khaki green, but it's also available in army green and black. So of course, Blackview are known for their budget-friendly products. I've got the Blackview A96 smartphone, nice cheap phone, and they obviously do cheap tablets and smartwatches as well. So here is the smartwatch with its nice silicone feeling strap, which feels really nice. So you've got your charging pins, etc. on the back of there. So you've got a plastic material around here, but then you've also got a zinc alloy face to surround it for a bit of extra protection as well. Please charge before use to ensure sufficient charge, etc. So then you've got power button, menu buttons there, light, which I will try and demonstrate in a second, which is on the side there. And let's just see what else we get in the box. Another strap, which is really great, which is one that I might actually try out myself. And then just your charging cable as well. So I'll just put those other two bits back for the time being. So here is the Blackview W70 Pro smartwatch. Let's just pull the front off and let's power on and see if she's got any juice. Of course, they say to charge it first. So it's just a TFT LCD display on this smartwatch. Up right way around would help. So of course you're not going to get the best quality display. So we'll just set it up in English. Please download, install Fit app. Wow. What a name. So give me a second, I'll get the app and then we can pair the watch. Okay, so I've just downloaded the app. Let's see if we can. Please select your device. Connecting. Oh, there we go. Just like that. Next. I'll add all that info in a second. So there is your smartwatch all set up and ready. Timer's all set. So then you've got messages there. Let's just see if I can, where's the brightness? Can I turn that down just a smidge? No. There we go. Just so it doesn't look. There we go. So then it's got your beats per minute, your calories, your step, info on the weather, which we'll get directly from your phone. And then you can swipe to the side to get some activity information, swipe to the other side, and then you've got a load of apps on here as well. So you can of course measure your heart rate, your stress levels, sleep, exercise. There is up to 100 odd exercises that is preloaded on this watch to give you information on, which is great. You can jump into the weather. Oh, and then scroll up. That's really cool. And then you can, oh, there's plenty of things on here. Shutter, music, relaxation, timer, AI voice, alarm, stopwatch, find phone, games, calculator, world clock. So if we jump into the settings, and you've got a few things there as well. Brightness, auto sleep. You can select your watch face. I think there's 30 odd watch faces or something or other that you can choose. I won't be messing around with that just yet. Do not disturb, screen notification, power saving, phone. And if we go system, so there's no option to do any updates or anything like that. Menu, sorry, that's what I meant to press. So there's a few settings there, nothing major. So if I just take off this is my Honor Band 7 that I've been using for ages. Really great watch, lasts a couple of weeks battery wise. And then if I just put this one on, okay, so I've actually got her on, fits nicely. Nice quality, sort of rubbery silicone feeling strap. Really like the design of this watch. It's my first sort of rugged watch really that I've ever used. Now I'm curious to test out this light on the side. So there's a button labeled light. So we'll just press and hold, and that switches on this torch on the side. Now that you can adjust the brightness of it as well, which is cool. You can set it flashing, so like SOS or something like that, or you can have it just on and then you can tap it on and off, or just off apparently that way, and then press and hold to turn it on. So quite a cool, nifty little feature. Obviously if you're out and about in the dark and you don't want to get your phone out to turn the torch on, you can just use the torch on your watch. And that's just a shortcut to some of the other settings there. Do not display, do not disturb, brightness of the display, which I'm keeping low just for the purposes of this, but it does go quite bright. Please add the QR code in the app. I'm not going to bother with that yet. Power saving mode, I'm not going to bother with that at the moment, but it's nice to know that it's there. And then you've got it's a very interesting sound to expel the water, and then just a shortcut to the settings as well. And of course you can set your vibrate and ring. So I can just set it to vibrate. I don't really want it ringing as well. And then you can change the intensity of it as well. I will change it to strong, just so I know if I'm actually getting anything through. So it's actually shaping up to be a pretty nice watch. I do actually really like the look of this display. Apparently I burnt 2 calories just basically doing nothing. So the display is a 1.45 TFT screen with a 280 by 320 resolution. You've got Bluetooth 5.2, and then you've got a 900 milliamp hour battery, and there's no battery percentage marker there. I wonder if it will let me, if I jump into the settings. No, that's just power saving mode, notification screen, display, menu view. Let's go with grid, and you can change that as well to basically look like an Apple Watch. That's quite cool, quite like that. But I'm trying to find how to get your battery percentage, although it doesn't appear to be any way of doing that. And you can do a raise to wake almost kind of thing to wake the screen when you lift it up. A little bit delayed, but overall it's not too bad. Overall, I really actually like the design of this watch. It feels nice and premium. And at the moment, I think the availability price is about $30, which is really insanely cheap for this sort of watch. I will put an updated price in the description for those that are curious for sure, but that's the price that I've been quoted at the moment. But yeah, let me know what you think of this smartwatch. If it is around 30 quid or $30, that's actually a really great price for a rugged smartwatch. But of course, let me know down in the comments what you think of this watch, what you think of this video, and if you'd like to see more smartwatch unboxings and that sort of thing. And I'll see you in the next one.